Welcome to Skiathos, a small island in the Aegean Sea, famous for its golden beaches, vibrant nightlife, and authentic Greek charm. In the next few minutes, let's explore its beauty from above and on the ground. The heart of the island is Skiathos Town, with narrow streets, white houses, and a lively harbor. Here you'll find traditional taverns, small shops, and a vibrant atmosphere that lasts until late at night. Skiathos is home to more than 60 beaches. The most famous one is Koukounaries, a wide sandy bay surrounded by a pine forest. Skiathos also has a rich cultural side. The Monastery of Evangelistria, hidden in the hills, played an important role in the Greek War of Independence. The island also became world famous as one of the filming locations for the movie Mamma Mia, adding a touch of Hollywood to its Greek charm. Getting here is easy. Skiathos has its own airport and daily ferries for Volos and Agios Konstantinos. It's the perfect size to explore by car or scooter, and boat trips around the island are highly recommended. From breathtaking beaches and historic monasteries to lively streets and stunning sunsets, Skiathos truly has it all. If you're looking for the perfect mix of relaxation and adventure, this is your island.